Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, November 24 to 26, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's start with our update. Here's the latest GovSat, beginning today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. We have the easterly surface wind flow, known as the easterlies, becoming stronger because of the prevailing La Niña phenomenon. And it's now affecting up to the Bicol region and the Visayas area as well as Mindanao. So expect some cloudy conditions with rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening. While here across the rest of Luzon, we have the weak Amihan or the northeasterly surface wind flow, also affecting Metro Manila, Calabar Zone, Sulu Archipelago and Mimaropa, so expect some breezy conditions from the northeast, although the weather is good, but sometimes there is passing rain showers and thunderstorms. While across northern Luzon, including Batanes, Mabuhay, and Cubub Islands, we have the still prevailing northeast monsoon, and it will bring windy conditions with some on and off rainfall and some thunderstorms becoming more rainy along the areas of Cordillera region and the Cagayan Valley because of the shear line of a frontal system, or also known as a tail end of a frontal system. So these areas will be having some threat of possible flooding and threat also of some landslides because of the thunderstorms generated by this tail end of a frontal system or shear line. So please take unnecessary precautions. And also here across the areas affected by the easterly surface wind flow, expect some possible flash floods or landslides when we have a very strong or severe thunderstorm passing over your area. Meanwhile, across the various seaboards of Luzon and coastal waters over the Philippine Sea will remain dangerous to small sea crafts because of large waves generated by the monsoon. And outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure areas. We just have here an ITCZ across central and eastern Micronesia into the Marshall Islands and surface trough to the south of Mindanao. Okay, so far that's the latest for GovSat. Here's the fast animation. There you go. These are the cloudiness and thunderstorms generated by the easterly surface wind flow and some thunderstorms as well across Cagayan Valley and portions of Cordillera region because of the tail end of a frontal system or the shear line alongside with the northeast monsoon. And if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation, you can clearly observe here some thick thunderstorm clouds across Cagayan Valley. Although it started to weaken, expect to regenerate again overnight. And also here across various sections of the Bicol region, Visayas and Mindanao, these are due to the easterly surface wind flow. And if you take a look at the rainfall forecast accumulation for the next 3 days until Friday, courtesy of European model, still possible rains and thunderstorms will be expected across Batanes, Mabuhay, and Cubub Islands and various portions of extreme northern Luzon, including Cagayan and Isabela, because of the shear line and the northeast monsoon, while the coastal areas of Calabar Zone, Bicol region, Visayas, Mindanao, Palawan, and Sulu Archipelago, there could be also some thunderstorms brought about by the easterly surface wind flow and some thunderstorms as well here over Sulu Archipelago and Palawan because of the northeasterly surface wind flow. And if we take a look now at the latest wind and pressure forecast from the European model for tomorrow, Thursday afternoon, still easterlies across central and southern Philippines, while the northeast monsoon over extreme northern Luzon. And on Friday, the same weather conditions will be expected across Bicol, Visayas, and Mindanao because of the easterlies, and extending across Mimaropa as the easterlies continues to intensify because of the prevailing La Niña phenomenon. And we have here the northeast monsoon still prevailing across the extreme northern parts of Luzon, particularly over Batanes and Babuing Cubab Islands, Taiwan, and the northern portions of the West Philippine Sea. And before we leave you, here's the latest global tropics hazards and benefits outlook of the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA. This is valid for the next 2 weeks. And for week 1, for November 24 to November 30, expect above average rainfall across the Philippine Islands because of the prevailing La Niña and the northeast monsoon and the easterly southeast wind flow. And we have here a 50% chance of or medium confidence of a tropical cyclone development near the coast of Vietnam. But so far, at the latest satellite animation, it's still not there, but there is a possibility of a formation there. And on week 2, valid December 1 to December 7, it looks like Luzon, Mimaropa, some portions of Visayas and the Bicol region will still have above average rainfall because of the easterlies and the possible approach of another surge of the northeast monsoon between December 1 to December 7 across these areas. So we could be experiencing some rainfall once again because of this northeast monsoon. Okay, so far there's no tropical cyclone development for the second week of the forecast, December 1st to December 7. So the first week of December is still clear. So that's good news to all of us. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Wednesday until Friday. And we'll be returning again on Friday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.